Thank you bafowethu. So angicabangi mina ukuthi ku-P_S_L yonke akekho umdlali oneyinkinga njengoNukovic and iy'nkinga zakhe 15 million. Le 15 million le i-Royal AM bekumele imkhokhele yona and he was very close ukuthi ayithole i-15 million because i-Royal AM cishe yathengiswa only for i-P_S_L curator ukuthi i-decline leya deal le ithi no, i-Royal AM is not for sale. Siyayicisha nje ngempela ku-P_S_L ngeke isadlala nhlobo, hhayi nokuthi iya ku-National First Division or iya kuphi, phelile nje indaba ye-Royal AM yabo, cause ngeke bakwazi ukuwakhava wonke la ma-match lawo ekumele bawadlala. Okay, clean. UNukovic njengoba bengishilo ukuthi wakolodiwa i-15 million by i-Royal AM after ikhuphukile imali yakhona ngendaba ye-interest yabo. UNukovic but ekuqaleni makukhishwa le statement kwathiwa bamkweleta ilokhunjani i-12 million rands yabo, but sekunesikhathi bangayikhokhi so seyikhuphukile seyifika ku-15 million. UNukovic wasayina ne-Royal AM, i-Royal AM yakuphikisa lokho yathi uNukovic akadlalelanga bona, washa wacima, i-contract yakhe ayikho, lento le ayifunayo. So uNukovic-ke wahamba yena ne-agent lakhe or ne-lawyer lakhe uMamkhize noma i-Royal AM mayimnika i-deal ukuthi hayi sicela ukukhokhela njalo every month yabo, hhayi bona bafuna isamba sonke, bayifuna yonke imali iphelele. Kwenzeka ukuthi bathathe i-Royal AM ngathi bayibophise, kuyibophisa kwabo kuyifaka kule P_S_L_DC yangithi le yakhona. I think uyifaka ku-P_S_L_DC or-ke if i-P_S_L_DC ayikwazi ukuyisolve imethe yakhe enkulu kakhulu iyisa kuSAFA, but-ke overall kwathiwa i-Royal AM ikolota uNukovic. Manje nje njengoba ngikhuluma namhlanje imkolota 15 million, but uNukovic le mali ngeke aphinde ayithole. Ucishe wayithola because u-businessman, an Indian businessman befuna ukuthenga i-Royal AM. Unfortunately-ke hhayi i-P_S_L yanqaba nge-Royal AM. So uNukovic-ke angimazi ukuthi i-head state yakhe ikuphi manje ngoba le mali ngeke aphinde ayithole. So ama-reports la athi so uNukovic ukuze ayithole le mali le kumele i-Royal AM iphinde ibuye futhi yabo, noma kuthola ukuthi i-Royal AM kuthiwa i-Royal AM i-relegate-iwe yaya ku-National First Division, mayibuya ngomunye unyaka uNukovic angeze nje ngo-2037 ayithole imali yakhe, ayiclaim ayithole because i-Royal AM isasebenzisa same name le same football name, yes, same gama le beyilisebenzisa as i-Royal AM, but uma ingatshentshi igama kusho ukuthi umlando we-Royal AM sowuphelile. I-team ekweleta uNukovic akusiwuMamkhize, i-Royal AM. I-Royal AM if uMamkhize udicide ngelinye ilanga ukuthenga lese amaZulu abuye ku-P_S_L ngeke akahlangene namaZulu lokhunjani uNukovic, uhlangane njani ne-Royal AM. So ingakho bezothola imali yakhe if i-Royal AM bakwazile ukuyithengisela lo businessman waseThekwini i-collapse ekugcineni, uNukovic bezothola imali yakhe because u-businessman waseThekwini bebamthengisele le team le nge-15 million rands, but iklabu yaku-P_S_L it's around 50 million, but bona bamthengisele nge-15 million. Why? Because kumele abhadale zonke le y'koloto zo-Nukovic 15 million, oNasimento ngathi boma-5 million, and then nama-player bekuthiwa kuney'nyanga ama-players angaholanga. So ziningi ngempela izinto umuntu bezothenga ilokhunjani i-Royal AM ozozibhadala zonke nje iy'kweletu zakhe ze-Royal AM bezizojampela kulo muntu lo, but he was prepared ngempela ukuthi okay azithathe inkinga ze-Royal AM azenze ezakhe ngempela if bekayithengile. Unfortunately-ke bayikhansela i-deal, but uNukovic ulala ngalele la akhona. Hhayi uma ecabanga le 15 million ukuthi ngeke iphinde ibe khona because uMamkhize wama-offer something athi ngicela ukukhokhela every month, but bona banqaba-ke, ingakho we find ourselves in this situation. uNukovic ngeke athole nesenti. Danko bafowethu.